Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Canvas account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Canvas account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address canvas.net and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of Canvas. So let's wait for it, guys. And over here, guys, in order to log in, let's wait and let's load the page full. And after it loads, guys, in order to log into your Canvas account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button available for us. Click on that login button, and this kind of login panel will be available for you. Now in order to proceed, enter your email address over here with which you had created an account on the Canvas or registered for it, and after that enter your password. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always reset it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to reset your Canvas account's password. And with that being said, guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on the login button available over here, and then you'll be signed into your Canvas account online on your computer. And there, this is how you log into your Canvas account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.